Insurance costs for young drivers are infamously significant when compared to older drivers, in particularly those aged between 17 and 24 and those who are mostly male. Insurance costs for young drivers, for example, insurance premiums regularly fall into the 4,000 figure mark and in some cases, are more than the actual invoice price paid for the vehicle. This is because, statistically, young drivers are more likely to be involved in a road accident than older drivers and are therefore more likely to claim from their insurer. 1 in 5 drivers are involved in a motoring accident during the first 12 months behind the wheel. The European Union recently passed legislation making it illegal for insurance companies to base their prices on the basis of sex. It was passed with the aim to bring an end to sex discrimination male drivers face when taking out insurance. Although this has changed the game, more can still be done. There are several ways drivers can reduce their insurance premiums. The most popular being the black box option. This type of insurance requires a black box to be installed in the vehicle involved, which in theory monitors how the driver drives, taking into account how many miles the car covers, how often a driver cuts a corner or exceeds a speeding limit. Industry experts also recommend several other factors that drivers can take account of. Some insurance companies offer discounts for eco-friendly, fuel-efficient cars. This also allows drivers to save on fuel and road tax too. Choose a higher voluntary excess, as this will ultimately reduce the insurance premium. An insurance excess is the amount you will pay up front if in the unfortunate case you need to make a claim. In other words, the more excess you're prepared to pay, the less your insurance has to pay out. Do not make any moderations to your vehicle. For example, young drivers have the tendencies to add alloy wheels to their vehicle, as this ultimately increases the chance your vehicle will be stolen, forcing the insurance premium to rise. Ensure your car is secure. Take into account extra security cautions, for example wheel locks and keeping your vehicle in a secure garage. Undergo the extra, optional driving courses and earn more driving qualifications, for example Pass Plus, which you can do after you pass your driving test and gives you more experience on motorways. For instance, add another driver to your insurance policy. This is popular, however remember that it is illegal to falsely declare who is the main driver of your vehicle. If you can, pay your insurance costs in full, rather than monthly. The monthly option is more expensive in the longer run as interest charges are added. Gap insurance, on the other hand, does not discriminate on age or sex. It only takes into account the model of your car, age and condition. Jackie Vertier, Sales Director at Equus Automotive Limited. Equus Automotive Limited's aim is simply to be fair and honest in all we do. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.